Hello everyone, myself Mansi Dupni. Today the topic of my presentation is Ruby laser. In this session we will discuss about the Ruby laser. This diagram shows the construction of Ruby laser. But what is Ruby laser? So Ruby laser is a solid state material. Ruby laser has three important parts. First is active working material, second is cavity, and third is pumping. First, we will see active working material. In ruby laser is the crystal of aluminum oxide in which some aluminum ions are replaced by chromium ions. This is done by doping small amount of chromium oxide. Chromium ions is a main active working material in the ruby laser. Ruby crystal is taken in the form of cylindrical rod having 2 cm to 20 cm length and diameter is 2 mm to 4 mm. It means the ruby rod is made up of aluminum and chromium oxide. Some of the aluminum ion in the aluminum oxide are replaced by chromium ion, and the chromium ion are the main active working material in the ruby laser. Generally, in a ruby laser, a ruby rod have length 2 cm to 20 cm and diameter is 2 mm to 4 mm. Second is cavity. It consists of two mirrors, out of which one mirror is perfectly reflecting to the light, whereas other mirror is partly reflecting to the light. And these two mirrors are kept parallel to each other, and the ruby rod is kept inside the cavity. Third is pumping. Pumping is a long process. In process of pumping, the ruby laser population inversion is achieved the help of xenon flash lamp which emit photon. Photon pump chromium atom to avoid the damage from heat. And necessary arrangement of cooling is provided by the coolant. So, during the operation of ruby laser, the large amount of heat is generated, and to remove this heat, the arrangement of cooling is provided by the coolant. This is the diagram of energy level of chromium ion. Initially, chromium atom is present at ground state. When we switch on high voltage supply, then xenon flash lamp emit a photon. After absorbing this photon, chromium ion jump to excited state E3. E3 is excited state and hence unstable state. Therefore, within 10 to the power minus 9 second, atoms jump to metastable state E2. E2 is a metastable state and hence population inversion is created between energy level E1 and E2. Generally, the chromium ion are jumped from ground state E1 to excited state of energy level E3, and this energy level E3 is unstable state or not a metastable state, and hence therefore the chromium ion will not stay on energy level E3 for long time. They will fall down on metastable state E2, and its lifetime on the order of few milliseconds. It means 10 to the power minus 9 second. So chromium stay in energy level E2 for some time, and population inversion achieve between an energy level E2 and E1, and we get laser beam of wave 6943 Armstrong cavity. So here population inversion is also unstable, and hence first atom goes from E2 to E1, and this will produce in photon. Due to stimulated emission, available photon in the cavity knock out more and more atoms from E2, and hence more and more photons are emitted. Laser beam or output is obtained through this partly reflecting end. These photons multiple in cavity and giving rise to an intense beam of photons that are coherent and moving in same direction, and hence we can say that light is amplified by stimulated emission of radiation. The amplified light with wavelength 6943 Armstrong is coming out through partly reflecting mirror of cavity. So the laser beam or output is obtained through this partly reflecting mirror. Then the application of laser. The first is the laser is used in cutting, drilling and welding of hard metal. As laser is intense beam and It is used in chemotherapy to kill the cancer tissue. As laser is concentrated over small region and has zero divergence and hence used in eye surgery. Laser can be used as a war weapon laser gun. Laser is used in guided missile and radar technology. Thank you.